This is a 230 V8 kilowatts high-temperature carpet cleaning machine developed by Fumiging Group. The video is a 15-inch rotary carpet extractor. The machine has 3 patents, and the rotary carpet extractor machine has 10 patents. At present, there are almost no manufacturers in the world that can achieve 230 V8 kilowatts without tripping, and the equipment developed by our factory can not only be used at home, but also in cinemas, offices, and hotels with superpower without tripping. Continuous 100 degrees C hot water not only makes the carpet dry faster, but also makes it easier to clean heavily soiled carpets. 100 degrees Celsius can also sterilize the carpet.